graphing, and determining regions of solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. So if the given is both linear. Our key reminders, if the given boundary lines, that is solid line, so the symbol is less than or equal or greater than or equal. If that is dashed line, less than or greater than. In shading the value or shading part, if that is above the line, y greater than or y greater than or equal. If the shaded part is below the line, that is y less than or y less than or equal. Let us recall linear inequality. It is a mathematical statement that compares two expressions using inequality symbols instead of an equal sign. Let us find the solution region of y greater than or equal to x plus 1. So draw the line y equals x plus 1. After drawing the line, use a solid line because that is greater than or equal. And then shade above the line. So ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph. Pero paano naging ganyan yun? If we represent the value, if the given is 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. So it means 1 comma 2. So this part. Next, if we replace that 1 to value of x, that is negative 1. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So negative 1, 0. So it means the value for the slope is positive, the slanting to the right. So solid line because that is greater than or equal. So paano natin ma-identify if the shaded part is this one is above the line. So kung magta-test tayo ng point na 0, 0. So if we test the smaller value, that is 0, 0. So 0 plus 1, so that is 1. So 0 is greater than 1. So false. So itong part na to, lahat yan, kahit anong i-test point mo, that is false. So ang pipiliin mong shaded part, so this one, in nasa left side or above the line, that is y equals x plus 1. So, ano yung magiging answer natin? All points on and above the line, that is y equals x plus 1. Find the solution region of y less than negative x plus 2. First, we need to draw the line y equals negative x plus 2. Use a dashed line because that is less than and shade below the line. So, ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph because if we replace x by 0, so 0 plus 2, that is 2. So 0, comma 2. If we replace the value of y by 0, so change the sign. So 0 equals negative x plus 2. So x equals positive 2. So 2, comma 0. So this one is negative. So the line slanting to the left. So this is dashed line because the symbol is less than. So let us identify the test point para malaman natin kung shade is tama. So below the line, pero let us testify. So if that is 0, 0 as the point, so kung value ni x natin is 0, 0 plus 2, so that is 2. So 0 less than 2, so true. So itong part na to, that could be the shaded part. So it means if that is the shaded part, all points on and below the line of y equals negative x plus 2. So ito yung below the line. How about the solution region of y greater than or equal to x minus 1 and y less than or equal to x plus 3? So first, we need to graph the solid lines, both for y greater than or equal to x minus 1 and y less than or equal to x plus 3. So greater than, so that is above the curve. This one is less than, so below the curve. So, ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph. So, paano naging ganyan yung graph? If we replace the value of x by 0, so 0 minus 1, so that is negative 1. So, yung value ng x natin 0 and then negative 1. So, this is 0 and then negative 1. If we replace the value of y by 0, so 0 equals x minus 1. So it means x is equal to positive 1. So positive 1, 0. So dito yung part ng positive 1. 0. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura ng graph. So, this is representation para ma-visualize natin. And then, if we replace the value of x by 0, so 0 plus 3 is 3. So, 0, 3. So, this part. So, 0, 3. So, if that is the case, another, if we replace y by 0, so x plus 3 equals to 0, so x is equal to negative 3. So, ito yung graph ng y equals x minus 1. So, assuming this is the graph of y equals x plus 3. So, kung drawing natin yung graph, sabi dito greater than or equal, less than or equal. So, both may value na kung saan ito ay solid line. So, kung solid line yan, tignan natin kung saan yung part na may shaded. So, y that is greater than or equal to x minus 1. So, greater than. So, above the curve. Y less than or equal to x plus 3. So, this one, y less than or equal to x plus 3. So, magte-test tayo ng point 0, 0. So, 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. So, 0 greater than negative 1, correct. So, 0, 0 din dito. 0 plus 3, that is 3. So, 0 is less than or equal to 3. So, ito yung part na may shaded part for the both regions. So, it means the strip of points between the two lines. So, nandito siya in between the two value of y greater than or equal to x minus 1 and y less than or equal to x plus. Let us find the solution region for y greater than or equal to x plus 1 and y less than or equal to 5. The solution region is the area above y equals x plus 1 because this is greater than. Y less than or equal to 5, so below. So, y equals 5. So, ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph. So, paano naging ganito yung itsura ng graph? Y greater than or equal to x plus 1. So, it means, so, pwede natin replace yung value ni x by 0. So, 0, 1. So, this is 0, positive 1. So, assuming that this one is 0, positive 1. Next, if we replace y by 0, so x equals negative 1. So, x equals negative 1. Ito yung part na may shaded part. So, 0, 1, and then 0, negative 1. So, assuming natin na ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph, slanting to the right, and then y equals 5. So, y equals 5. Ibig sabihin nun, this is horizontal line. So, y equals 5. So, sabi dyan, y greater than x plus 1. So, this is y greater than x plus 1. So, it means above the curve. So, y less than or equal to positive 5. So, below the curve. Kung magte-test tayo ng point, so, kung itetest natin dito, yung part na yon. So, if we replace it with 0 and then 3. So, 0 plus 1, that is 1. So, 3 greater than or equal to 1. So, correct. Ito yung part na may shaded. So it means kung yan yung part na may shaded, the region between the two lines. So it means the region between the two equation, y less than or equal to 5 and y greater than or equal to x plus 1. Let us find the solution region y greater than or equal to 2x minus 1 and y less than or equal to negative x plus 5. The solution region y equals to x minus 1 is above the curve. Y negative x plus 5 is below the curve. So, kung ito-drawing natin yung y equals to x minus 1, so it means, if we replace the value of x by 0, so 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So, that is, so, ang value na x natin is 0, or ang point natin is 0 and negative 1. So, assuming that this is 0 and negative 1. If we replace the value of y by 0, so 0 is equal to 2x minus 1. So it means 2x is equal to 1. So divide both sides by 2. So that is 0 0.5 or 1 half and then 0. So assuming that this part is 1 half 0 and then 0 negative 1. The graph slanting to the right because the slope is positive. So ang slope is positive, slanting to the right. Sabi, above the curve. So this one, so kung value na to is above the line, ito yung part ng above the line. So kung itetest natin, halimbawa 5, 0. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1. So 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1 is 9. So, ibig sabihin nun, itong part na to, false. So kung itatry naman natin dito na 0, 3, 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1, so is negative 1. 3 greater than or equal to negative 1. So itong part na to is true. So ito yung part na may shaded. So paano naman kung the given natin is y less than or equal to negative x plus 5? So if we replace x by 0, so 0 plus 5 is 5. So it means 0, positive 5. If we replace the value of y by 0, so change the sign, if we put on the left side, x is equal to 5. Ito yung part na yun. So the slope is negative, so the graph slanting to the left. So sabi dyan, below the line, so ito yung part na may shaded. So parehas na solid line yung una at ikalawa. So i-combine natin yan. So yung part na yun, so yung una natin is above y greater than or equal to 2x minus 1, and to naman y less than or equal, so that is below the curve. So kung pagko-combine natin yung dalawang given natin na equation, so ibig sabihin nito, nandito yung part na may shaded. So kung i-combine natin yan, so may part na nandito yung shaded part. So ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph. So the shaded part na nag-meet yung y greater than or equal to 2x minus 1, and then y less than or equal to negative x plus 5. So nag-meet silang dalawa. So it means dito yung part na nag-meet sila. So it means our answer, the intersection of the two shaded region. So nagkaroon ng intersection do sa two shaded region. Instruction: graph the following. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.